All this co-balling from across the cricketing world about the pitch in Ahmedabad, India. This is after India beat England in less than 2 days in the third test match. This is all an index of the general hypocrisy and bias that have emerged in world cricket in recent years. And this is not about the fact that no one complains about the green tops, how it helped the fast bowlers to dominate the batsmen. The real hypocrisy lies in the fact that there are no outcries on flat pitches when they help the batsmen to dominate the bowlers. Yes. All of them flat beds where batsmen score 100 on top of 100 and the bowler them can't get an appeal. No one says anything about that. Yes. But as a pitch emerge, where the baller bounce and turn and the batsman struggle a little bit, you hear like a cow bawling. Yes. When Brian Lara can step to the Antigua Recreation Ground pitch and score 375 and come back 10 years after and score 400 not out to break the world record, and the bowlers can get an appeal, where are the outcries? Where are the complaints? Uno too biased. Uno think it's batsman alone play cricket. Bowlers' lives matter. Yes, bowlers' lives matter. Uno show the bowlers some love. Bowlers' lives matter. Bowlers' lives matter. Bowlers.